How to delete avatar in Duolingo. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to guide you step by step, so let's get started. First of all, you can open up the Duolingo application on your Duolingo app and you should be finding this home interface. So the thing you need to do is you can head over to your avatar icon in the button. Below, you should be finding different tabs like home, languages, etc. So look out for the avatar option and tap on it. So once you tap on it here, it will take you to your profile page, and right above you should be finding your avatar. So you can go ahead and look out for the settings icon at the top and open the menu of the settings. So from there, you need to select the option of profile, tap on it. And when you tap on your profile here, you should be finding a change avatar option. So when you head over to change avatar, tap on it. And if you're looking for any kind of delete icon, we do not get it from here. So what you can do is you can go ahead and try changing your avatar if you don't like the previous one. Otherwise, if you really want to remove your avatar completely, you can head over back from here and head over to settings again. And this time go over to help center and tap on it. After you head over to help center, it will redirect you to the browser. So wait for the browser to open up and you need to just go ahead and look out for the option of send feedback. Tap on it and you need to go ahead and basically describe your issue. So go ahead and select up a subject like you want to delete your avatar, so that may be the subject, and you can type in a description like how you do not want an avatar anymore. So type in that description and type of issue, and you can even add an attachment file for more details, and then tap submit. And once that is done, they should review with the issue and help you uh, fix that. So that is it. You may follow the same process in order to remove your avatar as well. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you in another video.